Guys, I've just finished day one challenge of push up and I don't know, pull up, curl up. I don't know what's the name of that. Oh, on doing this, but I think what I'm going to do now today now is going side by side, touching my foot, touching this, touching this, side by side. So let's go. Well, guys, it hurts. As you can see, this is a belly. So this is a belly. Actually, this is, I don't know the exercise on how to make this area, in this area, make it wider because yeah, I don't know the exercise on how to make it wide. Uh, Without going to gym, because going to gym, it needs some materials. While I want to do the challenge, the everyday challenge, on my own without equipment. Yeah, something like that that I want on today's challenge. So on today's challenge, it is only the push up and